Hello friends, welcome back to lesson 7. In the first slide, I want to introduce two structures of Chinese characters: left-right structure and left-middle-right structure. For example, 你 can be divided into 人 and 儿. 好 can be divided into 女 and 子. 谢 can be divided into 言 身 and 寸. 树 can be divided into 木 右 and 寸. In the second slide, we can see the radicals 水 and 盐. Once you learn the meanings of each different radicals, it will help you greatly in guessing the meaning of any Chinese characters. The first radical 水 means water. Whenever you see a character which has this radical, the character is more or less related to water. The second radical is 言, which is usually related to speech or language. From this slide onwards, we will learn 3 characters in lesson 7. 四 means the cardinal number 4. It starts by 竖 横折钩. Then we write 儿 in the middle. Lastly, close it with a 横. 五 means the cardinal number 5. It starts with 横 竖 横折 and close it with 横. Note, the 横 at the bottom is a little bit longer than the 横 at the top. 书 means book or writing. It starts with a small 折, then a bigger 折 with a 钩. Next, we write a 竖 that cuts through these 2 strokes. Lastly, finish it with a 点 at the top right corner. 谢谢你的收看. If you have enrolled in our courses at Chinese Studio, please download the Chinese writing sheets from your learning portal. It comes with grid, and you can follow the correct stroke order to learn all the characters covered in this lesson.